Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, and in today's tutorial video I'll be showing you how to install and use Claude Code for Beginners 2026 Beginners Guide. Alright guys, so I'm guessing you actually want to code faster and you can do so using Claude Code, but you don't know where to start. So this tutorial is going to be a guide and I'll be showing you how you can install and then use Claude Code. All right, guys. So the first thing is, what is Claude Code? For those of you who do not know, Claude AI, that's Claude, is a next-gen AI assistant built by Anthropic and trained to be safe, accurate, and secure to help you do your best work. So basically, it is Anthropic's AI coding assistant. It helps you write your codes, fix bugs, explain errors, refactor projects, and understand large code bases. So it works like a smart pair programmer. So it's like talking to a friend, basically. All right, so what are the requirements you need before you get to install Claude Code? I think first off, you need to actually search for Claude AI. So once you've searched it up, you're going to be dropped here once you have created an account. I explained the process in our previous video, but once you have created an account, you would be dropped here. It's like a ChatGPT, but it's more in depth and it's more for students and programmers, that kind of thing. All right, so the requirement before installation is let's just head over to the code section of it. We have the new chat, we have chats, we have projects. So if you're running any projects with Claude and Claude Code, it should appear here. We have artifacts and we have code. So click on Claude Code and it's going to open up the Claude Code section. Once you're on here, you can see you can autocomplete finish lines. Claude Code finishes uh, your lines for you. If you scroll through, you can see a bit of what it can do for you while you're programming. All right, so basically that is the website. And if you scroll a bit more, you can see get started with Claude Code. So I don't think there is a free option. You could try it for free, hopefully, but we have the pro option, we have max 5x and we have max 20x. So with the pro option, it's perfect for short coding sprints in a small code base with access to both Sonnet 4.5 and Opus 4.5, and Claude Code is included in your max plan. Great value for everyday use in larger code bases, while the max 20 is just everything taking up a notch. So um, if you scroll down a bit more, you can see their connections, their sponsors, partners, and basically it. So this is the onboarding process of Claude. That's Claude Code. If you scroll down, there is a lot more on their website that you can check out. All right, so heading back to the main thing, what are the requirements before your installation? You're going to need a computer, Windows, Mac, or Linux, an internet connection, a code editor like VS Code. So you can get VS Code when you simply search it up. That's Visual Studios. Click on it, and it's going to lead you to this website here. Now, on this website, you can download for your platform. If it's Mac, if it's Linux, if it's Windows, all you need to do is just hit download, and you're going to see it open up here. The VS Code install, you're going to see it open up here, and then let's go ahead and open this in our folder. So this is what it looks like. This is VS Code, so we can just go ahead and double click on it and set it up. That is to begin the installation process for VS Code. It's actually quite easy. Just simply agree to their terms and conditions and then click on next, and then click on next again, and then click on next once more. Just keep clicking next. Let's head back. Create a desktop icon, yes. Click on next, and then click on install. So it's going to begin installing Microsoft Visual Code for users. So you can just minimize this while it functions or extracts the files in the background. All right, so back into what we were doing on VS, back to Claude Code. To install Claude Code, all you need to do is open up your browser as we just did, head over to Claude Code and enable it from the official dashboard. And then you can install the Claude Code extension in VS Code and then restart your VS Code. So to do that, all you need to do is, all right, so here's how we can simply go about installing Claude Code onto the VS Code. It's rather easy. Once you have installed your VS Code, just you can get Claude Code. You can run this on your IRM, but you can simply get Claude Code. Just hover above this, and a list of where you can get it for the web, VS Code, JetBrains, Slack. I'm going for VS Code, so go ahead and click on this. And now it's going to open up in the marketplace / items for VS Code. Now, if you go ahead and click on install, Visual Code is required to install this extension. So if you don't have VS Code, you can download it or click on continue. Now you can do this using this method, or you could do this via the VS Code itself. So let's go ahead and click on finish. It's going to open up VS Code on this computer. And once it has opened up, let's just go ahead and click on extensions here. And then you can search in the extensions marketplace for Claude Code. So go ahead and search for Claude Code from Anthropic, then click on it, and then simply click on install here. And then, do you trust this publisher? Yes, I believe we trust Anthropic. And then it's going to begin installation. So once it's done, you can now ask the artificial intelligence, being Claude Code, to help you out. So it's currently installing. Once the installation is done, you would have it in your list of extensions. Now, if you simply scroll down and read through, you can see that you can use Claude for your terminal. That's if you're running this on Mac, but this is on Windows. So this is the option I chose. It's basically the same with the browser option we previously selected. If you head over to the browser, you can see here that all you need to do is click on continue, and it's now going to launch VS Code. It's basically going to launch VS Code. Windows Defender did come up to block a program. Let's just go ahead and click on allow access for it, and then simply minimize. I believe this should be for it, and boom, Claude Code has been installed. You can see it here. You can use it for your coding. You can open Claude Code, click on the orange icon at the top right to start a conversation. Let's tick this and then chat with Claude, tick this and then tick the past conversations, and then done. And now you can just go ahead and start using Claude. So you can just click on open new file and open a new text file, and then you can begin using Claude for your setup. All you need to do is click on the open Claude here at the top right, and then you can use it for your programming. So all you need to do is just log into Claude Code. You could simply log in. How do you want to log in? Via your subscription? Yes. Now I do have to mention, let's minimize this. I do have to mention you need a subscription to enjoy Claude Code. If you remember from this browser, if you scroll down, you'd see that you need to actually pay to enjoy this feature. So it's not free. Basically, that's just how it works. That's how you can take advantage of this and use Claude Code. But if you want to run it as an IDM, you can just paste the code into your terminal and it would run. All right, guys, comment down below if you have any questions. Leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.